Hello viewers, you are welcome. Let's see how we are going to solve this problem here. This is algebra problem. We have 2 to the power x equals 3 to the power y equals 6 to the power z. So what is 1 over x plus 1 over y minus 1 over z? So that will give us what? So now let's see. Let's do it together. Okay, if you are just watching, consider subscribing today so that you'll be notified anytime. Then also hit on the bell icon, okay, so that anytime we upload a new content you will be notified. All right, so now let's see. So we are going to have this. They said 2x 2 to the power x equals 3 to the power y. Then also we can say 3 to the power y equals 6 to the power z. So therefore I'm going to be picking this one after the other. So I pick this. So now the idea now is that I want to bring down this x and y variable down. So therefore I'm going to introduce logarithm to the both sides of the equation. So this is going to be log with respect to 10 2 to the power x equals log 3 to the power y. So now from there, so this x will come down here multiplying log 2. So the same thing y we come down here multiplying log 3. So now I want to get the value of x. So now getting the value of x here, I'm going to divide both sides by 2, right? Log 2. I'm going to divide both sides by log 2, right? This is going to be log 2. So now from there, so we can see that log 2, we cancel the log 2 here. So we are left with x equals y log 3 over log what? Y log 3 over what? Over log 2. Are you following? So now when you divide through by log 2, so now from here, if I take the reciprocal, you know that x is like over 1. If I take the reciprocal of this is going to give me 1 over x is going to be log 2 will go up, then divided by y log 3, right? So now I want us to keep this one. Let's call this equation 1 because we are going to use them. So we're going to use it, right? So 1 over x. Then also we go further. Also, so when you have 3 to the power y equals 6 to the power z, according to what we are given up here, okay, we said 3 to the power y is equals 6z. So the same thing here, 3y equals 6z. So now according to what we did, we introduce logarithm. We have logarithm 3 to the power y equals log of 6 to the power z. So here y we come down here multiplying log 3 equals z we come down here multiplying log 6. So now what do we do? So this time around, let's try to get rid of, we want to make z this subject, okay? And the reason is that here we are having y log 3. So I want this one and this one to be having the same thing to be the denominator. What I'm saying is, let's say we have z to be log y, so we are going to divide both sides by log 6, okay? Divide both sides by log 6, right? So you can see that this, we cancel this, right? So now we're going to have what? We're going to have z to be equals y log 3 over what? Over log 6. So now from there, what are we going to do? What are we going to do? So what we are going to do now is that the same thing we did, let's divide this by 1. Now taking the reciprocal here, we're going to have 1 over z to be equals log 6 over what? Y log 3. Let's call this equation 2. So having 1 over x, having equation 1, this is equation 2, and we have the equation 1 over x equals log 2 over y log 3. So now the next thing we are going to do is that we're going to go back to what we are given, that's say 1 over x plus 1 over y minus 1 over z equals what, right? So we've already gotten 1 over x, and 1 over x is what, is this one here up here. So we're going to be having log 2 over what, over y log 3, then plus, we don't know y, so but replace it with 1 or fix it, make it fixed, 1 over y, then minus. So now for this one, that is the equation 2 that we have there. So we're going to have what, we're going to have that to be log 6 over what, y log 3, right? So now from here, let's try to simplify this further by looking for the LCM. The LCM here now is y log 3. So y log 3 divided by y log 3, we are going to be having, so this will be 1 times this is going to be log 2, then plus y will divide this y here, we are left with log 3 times 1, we have log 3 minus y log 3 divided by y log 3, we're going to be having log what, log 6, right? So from here, so what are we going to do? So don't forget that from the law of logarithm, you have a plus log b, so this will give us log a times b, right? So that's what we are going to do for this one here. Okay, so this is going to be log 2, okay, dot 3 minus log 6 over y log 3. So now from there, this will be log 6 minus what, log 6, and that will give us y log 3. So now here, log 6 minus log 6 will give us 0 over y log 3. So whenever you see 0 over a, so this will give us what, this will give us 0, right? So therefore we are given everything here to be what, to be 0, right? That the answer is 0. That is 1 over x plus 1 over y minus 1 over z will be what, will be 0. So provided that everything given up there. That's the end of the class. I believe you understand. So if you get the class very interesting, so please kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have not done that before. Don't forget to hit on the bell icon so that you'll be notified anytime we upload a new content. Then I also share this to your learning colleagues so they can also benefit from it. Bye bye.